What's up guys? Today video we will do the unboxing of the Mic Air from Insat360, and we're gonna see how we can connect our X4 camera to this tiny little mic. Let's dive into it. Guys, let's get the paperwork from Insat360x4, and it comes with this little tiny case. What is inside the case, guys? Let's have a look. There we go. We have the windshield for the outdoor activity. We have the pendant to put on our necks, and next one we get the USB charging, and then we get this little clips. And what else? Here we get the transmitter, the receiver, and then the magnet, guys. There we go, and there we go. Okay guys, after we update the firmware of the Insat360x4 and also the firmware for the Mic Air, so now we're gonna pairing them in order to use straight away. Keep pressing for around 6 seconds to let the LED is blinking, and then we turn on our X4. Then we're gonna swipe it down, then we go to the earbuds. There we go, and then we just click connect, and after the Mic Air and X4 connected, we can see the blinking light on the Mic Air is stopped. That means the Mic Air already connected to our X4 camera. We can see the earphone icon on the X4 also. And that's it guys. Hello guys, just finished showing you guys for the unboxing of this Mic Air from Insat360, and also how to update the firmware and how to pairing these two devices together. And if you are interested to purchase one, you can get it from the link in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. See you in the next video. Bye. If you have any comment, don't forget to drop your comment in below channel. Bye bye.